Hello guys, it's me again, Raine Rosa, and today I'll be making sandwich. Yes, in the another video I've also made a sandwich, but that's just ham and cheese. But today it's more classy and more ingredients. So the ingredients are cucumber, lettuce, mayo, tomato sauce, onion, tomatoes, yeah, beef patty, and butter or oil. Yeah. So I forgot. We should not forget the most important ingredient of the sandwich is the bread. We cannot forget this. Any type of bread. You can use any type. So let's get started. But wait, we need to wash our hands. Okay, let's go. So this is our finished product. Thank you guys for watching and let me enjoy this. Bye!